Hey, what's up? I'm this guy who teach basic cooking in my channel, and welcome back to my channel. Alright, so I'm here today to teach you how to hold a chef's knife. Also, I'm gonna show you the 3 cutting techniques I know in order to cut any vegetable, fruits, or anything you need to cut in the kitchen. Hearing my voice like this is not... So yeah, if you watch my last video, I talk about the knives you're gonna need in a kitchen or in an actual professional work. I do recommend getting them, okay, if you're really into cooking.
Advertisement.
Alright, so today, I'm here to teach you how to hold the knife. Before you hold the knife, you have to wash your hands for 20 seconds, right? Those kind of things. Wear an apron, right? Be prepared in the kitchen before you actually go cook in the kitchen, right?
And so it begins.
Understanding your knife is very important because this is your tool, right? You gotta know your own knife and you're gonna work with it. Make sure it is sharp. That's the first thing that you gotta make sure with your knife. Always in the kitchen. Alright, so let me teach you how to sharpen your knife. There's so many ways you can sharpen your knife, but the one I do like this is the most dangerous one, right? You only want to do this when you're at least have experience. I did cut myself before doing that.
Bruh.
And yeah. Alright, the easiest one I can teach you is you gotta hold your steel like this, like you're about to stab someone. Stand it on a board, and I want you to like tilt it to like 15 to 20 degrees if I remember. Then the goal is to like slide the blade of the knife like this. It's going downwards, it's going like this. In an up-down motion, something like that. The blade should be like going down like that. Same here. As you can see, the knife is going down with the blade. Right? It can be hard at the beginning if you can't really ask your mom or your dad or anyone who knows how to sharpen a knife. You really have to learn it because you're gonna use your knife a lot. Now that you're aware to sharpen your knife, right? It's time to hold the knife. Alright, in cooking, I learned 2 ways to hold your knife. Alright, as a beginner. Alright, I recommend you grab your own knife so you can try it too while I'm showing it to you. Okay? So the first one is by pinching it like this and holding it like this. See my finger? Can you like pinch it in here and holding it like this? Alright, if you tried it and you hold it like this, you'll see that you have a control in the knife, right? Hold it like this, the knife will go like this. The second one is you have to grip the blade. It's kind of like the same, but you're just holding it in the blade now, not in this one, in this one. And this one's my preferred way. This one is my favorite way, right? If you notice how I sharpen my knife, right? I hold it like the way I hold 2 fingers, and there you go. Get it? I hope that should be easy to you. The reason why we hold it like this or this is to like, you know, the balance of the knife, right? So you don't go like this or this when you're cutting something, and you have control, right? Control. Alright, now that you learn how to hold your knife, I gotta teach you cutting techniques. This is the most common cutting techniques you're gonna use in every kitchen or anything you cut. You're always gonna use this. The first one is called rolling technique. You cut your ingredients and you go like this. You see the motion? Do it. Cut it. The first step is go like this, and you're gonna slice, and you're gonna go like that, go up, right? Until you get professional and something like that. But by the way, I forgot to tell this. Before you're cutting anything, is I want you to watch your left hand. You gotta go like this, like grabbing a bowl or something. And if the knife goes there, it's not gonna slice it, right? Alright, so that's the first important cutting technique you're gonna learn and you're gonna use a lot, right? You go like this to the food, and you just go like this while your hand is like this, so you don't cut yourself, right? The second one is called the slicing or up and down slicing motion. Okay, so basically you go like up and down, right? Up and down, up and down, up and down, like elevator, escalator, down and up and down.
What image just came into your head?
Right? Because it's impossible to like do that on a large thing, right? If you guys get what I'm talking about. Alright, so now that you learned those 2 cutting techniques, there you go, you're so ahead. All you need is to just know how to cut the ingredients right and really, you can apply those techniques. Let's say you're cutting a different vegetable, right? You can either slice it down, then ended up rolling technique, right? I want you to try it and show it to your parents too, that you're learning, right? Show them that, hey, I learned this, and you know, they might learn it from you too, right? The third technique is called, I forgot this one, but basically what you're gonna do is, it's more like chopping an ingredients, right? You're gonna hold your knife like this. You're gonna hold it here and you're gonna cut like this, right? It will be safe because your hand is in here. Let's say you're cutting any herbs or any leafy thing, right? You're just gonna do it like this. You've probably seen this in a movie before, this kind of cut, right? So yeah, that's those three. I hope you actually learned that, and I hope you try and apply it. I hope you practice with it. Just always remember that your left hand is always like this. Alright, in the next video, I might show you how to cut any fruits or vegetable, and the cuts, the type of the cuts that you're gonna use, you know, in every cooking. Or I might just teach you more basic tools in the kitchen. Alright, this is for now. I hope you like the video and I hope you learned. Hope you subscribe and follow me for more. My name's Jet and goodbye. Happy cooking. My voice is dying. Bam!